What we're going to demonstrate is elastic collisions. So we've got two equal masses, and on the end of these two masses are springs, so when they collide they will rebound because of the elastic force of the spring. It's going to be conservation of momentum, so if they've got equal mass and equal velocity, they should rebound with the same velocity before the collision. Let us begin the demonstration. Two equal masses, equal velocity. As you can see, they rebound at roughly the same speed. Let's do it again. Alright, let's give one mass more velocity than the other. As you can see, the one with less velocity got more velocity after the collision. This time I've added an extra mass to this glider here, so if I give them the same velocity, the lighter mass should be expelled from the collision with greater speed than the one with the greater mass. Let us do the demo. Same velocity. As you can see, this glider here, greater velocity.